Hello, this is Bobby, your digital assistant from DigiBlossom. Today we will talk about how to improve the website experience for your audience through understanding two basic design concepts, UI and UX. If you are planning to build a website for your business or trying to do a revamp of your website on your own, you might have heard about them before. Applying these design concepts properly can help improve your website experience, and this in turn can help improve your brand credibility, enhance your customers' engagement, as well as increase your online sales. So let's find them out today. UI and UX are two commonly used terms in business website development. While user interface describes how the website content presented to the user experience describes how the user interacts with the website. Imagine you are building a house. The visual presentation of the house, such as the color of the brick, the shape of the windows, the style and appearance of the furniture inside the house, are considered to be managed by the concept of UI. On the other hand, things relating to your living experience, such as how you enter the house, the layout of each room, the placement of each furniture, are managed by the concept of UX. To be more specific, taking our DigiBlossom website as an example, our UI design refers to the color we chose to display our elements, the fonts to display text content, and the matching colorful and fun illustrations plotted on the page. In terms of UX design, we placed a menu bar on top so that the user could easily navigate into different pages. A button is placed under each service we list, which allows the user to quickly go to the corresponding page to obtain the information they are looking for. A business website should have both good UI and UX design to build up a good impression on your brand to your target audience. This is especially important to e-commerce business, so how customers feel about your e-commerce store could actually affect their buying decisions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email or send us a message via Instagram. Don't forget to follow DigiBlossom at Instagram and sign up DigiBlossom Plus to level up your digital marketing skills.